Howdy folks, I'm Justin and we've got Sean here demonstrating for you how to winterize an RP backflow preventer for you today. What Sean's going to demonstrate in this example, your soil level would be about right here, and this section would be underground, as would that section. The drain valves on the side of the uprisers, the purpose of those is to allow us to drain down the backflow preventer. What Sean will do is turn off the incoming water first, and then he's going to go ahead and drain down the backflow preventer by opening the drain valves, and then also opening the bleed ports on the RP. Right there's small screws he's going to turn with a screwdriver. And the last thing that he'll do is turn the ball valves on the device to a 45-degree position, which keeps the ball valves from freezing in the device. The best option that we've seen over the last couple years with the freezing weather that we've had is to install unions. Not all systems will have them, but we do recommend them, and the unions can be disconnected so that you can take the valve off and put the valve in your garage until the springtime. If you don't have unions and you'd like to have them, give us a call. Our contact information is right there on the top of the video. American Irrigation in Georgetown. Finally, what we've seen over the last couple of years, the valves generally, if they're insulated, we recommend to put stick insulation on them. Sean will hold up a piece of stick insulation. You can put that around the pipe and the device itself. We also recommend to put an insulating bag, so they will tape it and then put an insulating bag over it to add an extra layer if you cannot remove the valve. But what we've seen over the last couple years is if the temperatures stay under freezing for a long period of time, like a whole day, the valves can still freeze. So we definitely recommend as a premium route is to be sure you have those unions. You can actually take the valve out, put it inside, and then reinstall it when the cold weather subsides. Ain't gonna freeze if it's in the garage. And kind of as a final thought, if you do not have the unions, we recommend a anti-corrosion spray be applied to the backflow preventer before it is insulated. This keeps the handles from rusting and rotting out. And that is a service that is warranted to do on an annual basis. Open the valve up if it's insulated, if it's covered up, and get that anti-corrosion on there so the valve doesn't rot away on you. Hope you have a great holiday season. We appreciate your business, and have a good one.